today we're leaving Osaka and heading to Kyoto. And we're taking the train because this is our first time navigating this route with all our luggage. Come with us if you're planning Osaka to Kyoto for the first time. Our next accommodation is in Kyoto, so today we're leaving Osaka and making our way there by train. If you're doing Osaka to Kyoto for the first time, watch this video to the end.
Touchdown Umeda. Umeda Station. No carb. What's with you? So, where's your other phone? You're so fun. Here. Saan tayo? Ha? Anong pangalan?
Osaka Station.
Osaka Station and then...
One thing that confused us was that Umeda has several different train and subway stations around the same area. So when you're navigating, don't just look for the word Osaka. Make sure you're following the right railway operator and line.
Yan, JR line, no? Ano ba dapat? Anong station? Ito, Osaka. Osaka, Santa, Mido-Suji, Southgate. Dito daw.
What we learned pretty quickly is that getting around Japan isn't just about knowing the stations you're going to. You also have to understand which train you're taking and where it's heading. You can have different trains going towards the same area, but some make more stops than others, so the travel time can be different.
So, nahanap pa rin namin. Sasakay kami ng JR line. Ang baba namin is, saan nga ba tayo bababa? Saan pa tayo bababa? Osaka?
JR Kyoto.
When you're in a new country, it can get overwhelming, especially in a busy station. So we just help each other navigate instead of one person trying to figure everything out.
Hold my arm. Ano? Dito tayo sa gilid. Special rapid. Oh. They exchange train. Anong gagawin natin?
Wala pa. Hindi yan yung atin.
Ayan o, sabi rapid service.
Ano na ito? Kyoto Yaso, hindi yan.
Hindi yan.
Kyoto Fukuoka ba? Ito yan. Yaso.
快速京都ホーム安行きが発車します。ドアの閉まります。ご注意ください。
Wow. We're so far.
Bye.
So far.
Hello. Sumimasen.
11時15分発新快速京都ホーム御成線経由敦賀行きは8番乗り場から発車します。電車は12両到着します。敦賀行きは新快速足元 白色三角印1番から4番もう1番乗り当館
Coming from Dubai, one thing I noticed is that this isn't the same setup we're used to on the Dubai metro.
When you go with Kokol.
Some Japanese train services have woman-only cars at designated times.
Pasok mo na. Diyan ka na, Gwen.
The JR Special Rapid runs directly between Osaka Station and Kyoto Station in roughly 30 minutes. Regular rapid local services have different stopping patterns, while the Special Rapid makes fewer stops. The Shinkansen is much faster, but the saving isn't necessarily worth the extra 870 yen for this short journey, especially because you have to use Shin Osaka, not Central Osaka Station. While the JR Special Rapid gives you a direct Osaka Station to Kyoto Station trip in around 30 minutes. There's another interesting option, the Hankyu. Hankyu is actually cheaper at around 410 yen and takes roughly 40 to 45 minutes, but it takes you from Osaka to Omeda towards Karasuma or Kyoto to Kawaramachi, which can be more convenient depending on where you are staying.
Wow, there's a restroom here.
There are actually few ways to get from Osaka to Kyoto. We could have taken the Shinkansen, which is much faster, but for this short journey, we didn't think the extra cost was worth saving a few minutes. We chose the JR Special Rapid instead. It's around 30 minutes from Osaka Station to Kyoto Station and cost 510 yen. So for us, it was a good balance between time and budget.
Another station. This is the station.
We were also using our ICOCA cards to get around. If you're traveling around Osaka and Kyoto, having an IC card makes things much easier because you can just tap in and out instead of buying a ticket every time. ICOCA can be used on participating railways and buses across Japan's interoperable IC card areas, as well as at participating shops, vending machines, and lockers. It can also be used on many other compatible IC card areas such as Suica and Pasmo. If you are traveling to Japan for the first time, you'll probably come across 3 IC cards, the ICOCA, Suica, and Pasmo. So which one should you get? Honestly, they are pretty similar. Suica and Pasmo are commonly associated with Tokyo, while ICOCA is from the Osaka and Kyoto area. For us, we went with ICOCA because we started our trip in Osaka and Kyoto, and honestly, having one card that we could tap and go made traveling around Japan with the family so much easier. So, ICOCA, Suica, or Pasmo? There isn't really a winner. Choose whichever is most convenient for your trip. One thing I found really useful when traveling with kids is that they can get a discounted fare depending on their age. When I bought an ICOCA for my 11-year-old son, his fare was different from ours because he qualifies for the child fare. His ICOCA is personalized with his name, so it's different from the regular adult cards we have.
Okay
guys. Umalis na kami sa grabe hingal. Puro hagdan. Kasi mga malata pa kami kasi next stop namin is ang hotel naman na i-stayan namin for tonight. Sabi ko nga, mga ngayayat pagbalik ng Dubai ang aking asawa.
Pagod.
Pero ako pagod. Pupunta kami sa bandang area
May
niyon.
sakya rin dito.
Oo nga no.
Pero 1 view doon daw.
Nakita nyo ba yun? Yung Japanese temple? Is that a temple?
Yes.
Oh, so, pupunta kami dyan maya-maya.
Sabi pag temple nagsasara.
Oh.
Pag shrine open 24 hours.
Ah. Sige, pupunta kami dyan maya-maya. Ito yung area. Where are we now? Anong area to?
Kyoto.
Kyoto, ano?
Karasuma.
Kyoto Karasuma, malapit sa underground. So, yung area na pupuntahan namin is dito sa may Kyoto, malapit siya sa Karasuma Underground Passage. Grabe, ang init dahil. Pero mahangin naman. Hindi naman siya ma-humid. Ganda pa rin naman.
Well,
Ayan. So, pahinga lang ng konti and then lalakad na kami. Papakita ko ulit sa inyo yung area and then yung environment, yung itong pag-stayan namin. Para meron din kayong guide. So, yun lang guys. See you later.
And finally, we made it to Kyoto. We were tired, dragging our luggage around, and honestly, we just wanted to get to our accommodation.
Nahanap natin yung
Ito na yun, ma'am.
house. Ha?
Ito.
Daya?
Dahlia building.
Yung ganun dapat yuyuko ka. Matutukan yung muko ngayon. Ito yung magiging hotel natin.
So,
guys.
for our next episode, new city, new station, new accommodation. I'll see you in our first real Kyoto adventure.